Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a quick tip in the event that you can't get your lid and crossarm separated because of a bent lid latch pin up front here. But before we do that, we got to go ahead and remove these 4 screws on the outside of our lid. But after we do that, we can go ahead and open up our lid assembly and then start by prying out our gasket. Once we get our gasket out, next we're going to have to remove our lid liner right here. To do that, it's real easy if you get in here with a flat bladed screwdriver and kind of pry on that hole inside there. We'll move down to the next one and come back up here. And then once we get that out far enough, then we can get our screwdriver behind there and get that lid liner pried out of the way. We can go ahead and set that down out of our way. Now the important part here is we need to remove these 2 Allen head bolts here, which are going to be our hook arm bolts. And once we get these 2 bolts removed, then we need to be prepared for the lid and the crossarm to separate, and that's going to allow us to be able to replace that bent lid latch pin that will allow us to use our roll pin punch to punch out that roll pin and replace that lid latch pin. So that's a real easy way to show you how to separate that lid and crossarm in the event with a bent lid latch pin.